Number 3. Find the vertical asymptotes of h of x equals x squared over x squared plus 1. Erica, what should we do first? What are those 3 steps we wrote down yesterday to find vertical asymptotes? Okay. Class, yes or no? Is this factored? Okay. X squared plus 0x plus 1. Class, A times C. B value. 2 numbers in the world that will multiply to be 1 but add to be 0. 1 and negative 1? Negative times a positive is a negative, not a positive.
So positive 1.
Can you do positive 1 and positive 1?
Negative 1 and negative 1.
Wait. Let's spend more. Let's spend all eternity thinking of numbers. Come on. Can we find any numbers, class? No. So this says that this is prime, which means it can't be factored. It's not a trick. You just have to think. Okay. All right, I'm going to ask a question. Don't say anything. And then when I raise my hand, then you'll use thumbs up, yes, thumbs down, no, okay? So don't do anything. Let me ask the question, delay 5 seconds, and then show me. Can you cancel? Show me. You guys all found the trick. The answer is no, you can't cancel. The trick is that this is addition, this is multiplication. What do I mean by that? 2 over 2 plus 3. So let's just say you're on the SATs, you're having a question, you don't know the rules of something. You have to just make up numbers and then work with it. Okay? This is what I've done on a test before. Okay? You think, if I cancel the 2's, what's left? 0? You're thinking 0 over 3 or 3? 3. Where's the 3? It's on the bottom, so 1 over 3. This is what you guys think, yes? But look, 2 over 2 plus 5. Question is 1/3 equal to 2/5? The answer is no. So your method doesn't work. The reason why is these are kind of like, it's a couple. Okay? You don't want to be that person who's known for breaking up others. They're together. This would have to be x squared plus 1, and then you can cancel. Does that make sense? So I just proved to you why you cannot cancel there. Okay, so you can't cancel. Now what do? You're going to set the denominator not equal to 0. X squared plus 1 not equal to 0. Daphne, help us solve that, please. Subtract 1. Yes? What's left? Okay, just don't be scared by that not equal sign. How do you solve for x? You're going to take the square root. Let's use a different color. Okay, this is getting kind of weird now, right? Okay, Daphne. X is not equal to what? Okay. So you're correct that the square root of negative 1 is I. Class, what's the square root of negative 1? Class, what is I? Square root of negative 1. Remember, it has to be both plus or minus. Because you can put in negative I here. Negative I times negative I is I squared, and I squared is equal to negative 1. Okay. Okay, so let's review. I is on which number system? It is imaginary, like it's not really there, or it is. They call that the complex number system. Class, is this the real number system? What does this mean? there's no vertical asymptotes. If it had said x is not equal to -7, okay, then that means that x can't equal -7. But some of you guys are not thinking about this. Remember, a vertical asymptote says, if I take -7 from the last example and put it in here, it's just easier to do the factored form. Class, what's -7 plus 7? Something times 0. Something divided by 0. That's what the vertical asymptote means. Does that make sense? This is saying you can't pick any number in here to make this 0. Does that make sense? Yeah. You can pick a negative number or a positive number and you're going to square it, which is always going to result in a positive number, and you add 1. So it says you could pick basically every x value, which means there are no numbers that'll be a vertical asymptote. Okay? So do some critical thinking, and then when you graph it, you'll realize that your graph has no vertical asymptote. Okay?